Here you can see a lot of chunky chocolate chips right here. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making brownies. And what are brownies? Brownies are simply a square or rectangular chocolate baked confection. They come in a variety of forms and may be either fudgy or cakey depending on their density. They may include nuts, frosting, cream cheese, chocolate chips, or other ingredients. So for my brownie here, it's more of a dense cake kind of consistency with the density level. And I made this brownie not too heavy when I'm eating it. I gave it to a lot of friends and family and coworkers for them to try out, and a lot of them who, especially the ones who love brownies, they're like, ooh, this is very different from the ones I normally eat, but I feel like I can eat more of it because it doesn't feel so heavy. And for the ones that don't really like brownie, they also loved it because the best compliment you can get from an Asian person, in my opinion, is, oh my god, it's so good, it's actually not that sweet. And the way I made it not as sweet as regular brownies is that I didn't melt chocolate in here. I used cocoa powder, which has 0 sugar, so it has that really nice fragrance of cocoa and the taste, but it doesn't come with the extra calories and the extra chocolate. So if that's the kind of brownie that you think you'll be into, please keep on watching. Alright, so let's try out our brownie. I just took this out of the fridge, so it's still nice and cold to the touch. And this is the way I like eating my brownie because the chocolate chips are still nice and crispy and hard. So when you crunch down on it, it's like, it gives this nice, very satisfying feeling. That's personally how I like to eat it, and if you like to warm it up, you can try doing that instead as well. My coworker, she warmed it up and added some like whipped cream on top and she loved it. And for me, I really just like it plain like this. I feel like it's sweet enough already. And the chocolate chip crunch, ooh, so good. Anyways, let's try this one out. Ooh, okay, let me see. Here you can see a lot of chunky chocolate chips right here. I don't know if you could hear that, but it was really crunchy in my mouth and it was really good. So I got this inspiration from William's Kitchen. He has this matcha and white chocolate brownie recipe, and I liked how he just used matcha powder with hot water, mixed it, and kind of throw it in the batter. And I thought that would be a great idea for the chocolate version, like cocoa powder instead of melting chocolate bars in here. That's because I really like the fragrance of chocolate and cocoa, but when you melt it in there, it's a little too fudgy for me, a little too heavy. So just replace the matcha powder with cocoa powder instead, and voila. And then obviously the white chocolate, I changed it to dark chocolate instead. And then if you guys like matcha brownies, I do recommend you guys to try that matcha brownie recipe from William's Kitchen. I gave that recipe a try and I love it. I think because I'm really into matcha, I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. And when I gave it to my family to try, yes, they really love it. They're like, oh, this is really good. But he's like, can you try making a chocolate version next time? So I thought, okay, let's try it out. And I replaced the matcha powder with cocoa powder instead. So I thought to share this recipe for people who want to have something that is not super dense and super fudgy, but more so like something a little bit lighter, but you can still enjoy the chocolate flavor as well. But yeah, overall, I love this one. I've been eating too many brownies. I need to give the rest away. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!